Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off Temu order notifications. If you only want to stop order notifications from Temu, such as order updates, shipping alerts, and delivery notifications, you may be able to manage them from the app's notifications settings, although the available categories can vary by account and app version. So in the Temu app, open Temu app. Now in the bottom corner, click You or Profile. So click You. Once you're here, tap Settings in the top right. Next, scroll down and look for Notifications and select that. Next, look for Order Updates and click Edit beside it. Then turn off the notification categories you no longer want, such as order updates, shipping notifications, if those options are available. So, for example, order updates, click on that, then turn off push and email notifications. So, if it's turned on, just toggle it off, just like so. And also email, toggle it off. And just like that, it's now turned off. Now, Temu may treat order notifications as essential transactional messages, meaning they can always be disabled individually. So in that case, you can turn off all Temu push notifications in your phone settings. So open settings, then scroll down and go to notifications. Scroll down and look for Temu app, then select that, then turn off allow notifications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.